We started with Satvashila last time. I think we finished with the Paniyam Prekshitam. Yes, we finished with the fourth one. Tatha vidham anvayantam tam avalokya sasneham avadita sabhupatihi. Sabhupatihi here is Chandasimha. So Chandasimha goes for Mrigaya, and he is separated from his entire army. Only this fellow is following him, the Satvashila, who is also an impoverished prince. So he is the one who is a Jalavahaka or a Karpatikaha Jalavahakaha, water carrier. So he comes alone and follows the king, wanting to protect the king's life. So is very tired. The king asks him, Kachit yatha agatam margam vetsi. Do you know the way in which we came? So tad akarnya baddhanjalina tena avadi. He said, Swamin, vedmi samyak. I know the way back, but kshanam vishramyatu. Wait for some time. Take rest, and then because the sun is burning really hot, so prabhustava-datra lalatantapaha tapati bhagavan sapta saptihi shrutva etasya uparodham abhashata rajapravaraha evam chet tarhi kvapi paniyam preksyatam bhavata. So at least try to figure out some water, a place to, something to drink here. Paniyam preksyatam, go and search for some water. एवं उक्तः सः परिसरवर्तिनम् उत्तुंग तरुवरम् आरुह्य नातिदूरे प्रवहन्तीम् उदधिप्रियाम् अवलोकयत्. उदधेः प्रिया उदधिप्रिया. So the beloved of Udadi, ocean, is the Nadi. So there is always a Naika Nayaka bhava between the ocean and the rivers, right? So Udadi Priyam Avalokya Avalokayat Avalokayat. He saw one Nadi Pravahantim, Nati Dure Pravahantim, which was not flowing not far off, but very close by. So how did he find this river? Evam Muktaha, having been spoken like this by the king, Chandasimha Evam Tam Avochat, Sahatu Sashatvashilaha Saha Parisaravartinam Uttungatarum Aruhya, Taruvaram Aruhya. He climbed on to a great tree which was Parisaravartinam, which was in that vicinity. So which was in that close by. And Nati Dure, at not a far off distance, he saw a river flowing. Pravahantim Udadi Priyam Avalokayat. He saw it. Atha Avaruhya. He got down. Tataha Narapatim Tatra Nitva. So then he took the Narapati, the king, Chandasimha, to that place, wherever that river was flowing. Tadvaham viparyani kritya. These are all different clauses here. You'll have to understand the meaning with that, within that, okay? Tadvaham nripasya vaham. Ashvam. So the vehicle of him, vehicle of the king, which is here the Ashwa, because he came on a horse. So tadvaham viparyani kritya. Paryanam nama saddle. Viparyanam, vigata paryanam. Paryana rahitam kritva. So removing the, this is a chui pratyaya. So aviparyanam viparyanam kritva. So viparyani kritya. Removing the saddle from the horse. So making the saddle, making the horse without the saddle. Krita vivartanancha. So vivartanam here is making it bhuluntanam. We saw this in idla enke paathom. It kept on in Shivaraja Bhushana Kavehe Shivaraja Darshanam, Tatra the horse was falling down and then rolling in the ground and then getting up and then falling on the ground, and punaha tatra shrama pariharartham evam ashvaha karoti iti drishtam asmabhihi. So the same way here also krita vivartanam. This is another word for bhuluntanam. Rolling on the ground. So having made the horse roll on the ground, tam, so krita vivartanam tam ashvam. Again, ashvam dattambu shashpa kavalam vigata shramam vyadhat. So saha narapatim nitva. He, the Satvashila, took the king there And then Satvashila Tadvaham Viparyani Kritya removed the saddle from the horse. Satvashilaha Tam Krita Vivartanam Ashvam. To that horse, he made the horse to roll on the ground, and then Datta Ambu Shashpa Kavalam, he also gave Ambu water to that horse, and Shashpa Kavalam grass, a handful of grass also to the horse. So Dattam Ambu Shashpa Kavalam cha, or Dattani Ambu Shashpa Kavalani Yasmai Tam Ashvam. So this is an adjective to the horse here because it is in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Vigata Shramam cha Vyadhat, he also made the fatigue go away for the horse. So Vigata Shramam Ashwam Vyadhat, that is also an adjective for Ashwa. Clear? Kritannikaya cha Rajne. Rajne, the Raja, did his Madhyanikam here. He did his afternoon Upasana. So Kritannikaya cha Rajne to the king, fourth case. Vasana Prantat Unmuchya Hridyani Amalakani Prakshalya Arpayat. He opened the corner of his cloth. Vasana Prantat Unmuchya. He opened out from his cloth. He took out Hridyani Amalakani, Nellikambo, gooseberries, which you usually have during Dwadashi. So that gooseberry, which are Hridyani, which looks very attractive, Prakshalya, he washed it, and Arpayat, he gave it to the king. This gooseberry is supposed to remove the fatigue. That is why you have it first thing in the morning. For the first meal, you usually have this on Dwadashi day. If you have had Parana, if you have had fasting on Ekadashi, then you have this Nellikambo, Tamil. So we have this Amalakam on Dwadashi day. In fact, you even give this for Brahmana if you have Shraddha on that day. Those who come for Shraddham, right? So for that Brahmana also, you have to put that Amalakam as part of the thing. Prakshalya Arpayat, he gave it to the king. Kutaha etani iti jignasum jagati patim cha anusthitaha, janusthitaha iti bhavitat. Janusthitaha samalaka anjalihi saha vyajignapat. He informed the king, who was curious, Jnatum Ichum Jagatipatim Rajanam Kutayetani iti jignasum. What was the king curious about? Kutayetani, from where have these fruits come from? Iti jignasum, iti Jnatum Ichum Jagatipatim, the king. Janusthitaha Samalaka Anjalihi, Janusthitaha, he was on his knees and he offered it to the king. Sa Amalaka Anjalihi cha saha vyajignapat, he informed. He informed Vignapayati, so vyajignapat lung again. So he informed the king about how this Nellika, this Amalakam came to him. So he had Amalakam in his Anjali Putam. So with folded hands and along with that Amalaka fruit, he informed the king. Etad vrittihi aham ativahita vatsara dashakaha munivratam charami aradhayan devam. I have been following this vratam for 10 years. Vatsara dashakaha ativahita vatsara dashakaha aham. Etad vrittihi aham. So I, who have been following this vritti, this sort of a jivika survival, I have completed 10 years following this vratam, munivratam charami devam aradhayan. I have been following, I have been worshipping Deva, the god, following this vratam, this penance of a muni, and it has already been 10 years I have crossed by following this vritti. Iti. This is what he informed the king. Raja tam prashasya karpatika hastat amalakadvayam tad anubandha visheshena agrinnat. So the king also praised him, prashasya. Karpatika Hastat, from the hands of the water carrier, he took those two Amalaka. Tad Anubandha Visheshena Agrannat. Anubandham is also Anurodha. Because he pressed him to take the two fruits, that is why the king also he praised the Karpatika and took the two Amalakam from his hand, Agrannat. Bhuktva, he ate those two. Jalam Nipiya, he also drank water. Kshanam Vishramya, he took some rest. Tena Sajjikritam Vahancha Aruhya. So the horse was already prepared by Satvashila and he climbed onto that horse. Tena Satvashilena Sajjikritam Vaham Aruhya. Sajjikritam ityukte Vigata Parishramam Vaham Aruhya. Evam, he did all of those things for the horse. First he had taken out the saddle. Now Sajjikritam ityukte, he had readied the horse by putting on the saddle onto the horse and it was ready for the king to get up on it. So Sajjikritam Vaham Aruhya. He climbed onto the horse that was readied for him. Jagdha Amalaka Sampita Jalena Tena Anuyataha. Now this refers to Satvashila here. Satvashilena Anuyataha Raja. Kidrishaha Satvashilaha. So api Amalakam Bhuktva Jalam Pitva Eva Rajanam Anuyati. Clear? So Jagdha Amalaka. Jagdha here is the Kta Pratyaya Yedordu Mardu Vidhu Parango. Atti Yorda. Illa.
Yeah, adu bhakshane.
Adu only, no?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, adu bhakshane only. So, which means Jagdha is the Kta Pratyaya of that. Atti attaha. Adanti. Jagdha Amalakaha Sampita Jalaha. So, Yena Amalakam Jagdham and Yena Jalam Sampitam. Tadrishena Tena Satvashilena. So, one who had also eaten the Amalaka and drank water, he was followed. The king was followed by such a Satvashila. Alam abhyartitena api hayasya paschadbhagam anarudhena tena eva darshita margaha. Abhyartitena api, even though the king had asked him alam atyartham. So alam can mean samarthaha, alam enough, paryaptam. Here you take it as atyartham. So atyartham abhyartitena api Tena Satvashilena, even though he was asked very much by the king, still Satvashila, what did he do? Hayasya paschadbhagam anarudhena eva tena. He did not climb up onto that horse back portion. That is, the king said, I will ride the horse. You can climb onto the backside of me. Pillion ride. But he did not want to do it. Even though the king pressed him a lot, still Satvashila, who was asked by the king very much, alam abhyartitena, hayasya paschadbhagam anarudhena, Satvashila anarudha. He did not climb on to the paschadbhaga, the back portion of the horse. Tenaiva, by this Satvashila, darshita margaha raja. This again goes to, see, bhuktva, nipiya, vishramya, aruhya, Anuyataha, all of these, whether it is Kta Pratyaya or Ktva or Lyap, the same person who is doing all those actions should do the final action also. Correct? So it is just for continuing from that action. So the Karta is the king here. So Darshita Margaha, for whom the Margam, the pathway was shown by Satvashila. So Satvashilena Darshita Margaha Saha Raja. Pathi Milita Atma Sainikaha, on the way back, because Satvashila knew the way back, and as they were coming on the way itself, Pathi Madhya Margam Milita Atma Sainikaha. So Atma Sainikaihi Saha Militaha Asit. So he joined with his warriors and Swapurim Praptavan Raja. Clear? So Karta, there should be no issue with the Karta here. So the king reached his Puri, his city. Tatracha tad bhaktim prakhyapya tam vasubihi apuryapi atmanam na anranam amanyata. So many of these sarvanama shabda, we have to keep on supplying the name here. Okay. So tatracha, tatra in his capital city, Swapuryam. Tad bhaktim, Satvashilasya bhaktim prakhyapya. janeshu tatra vistarya, he spread it, prasarya, he spread the bhakti, or he announced. Prakhyapya is also announcing the devotion that Satvashila had towards Chandasimha, the Raja. Tam Vasubhihi apurya, he completely filled him with money. Filled Satvashila with money, Vasubhihi with wealth. Even though he filled him, apuryapi atmanam anrinam na amanyata, he did not think of them, of himself, the king Chandasimha. Even though he filled Satvashila with a lot of wealth, still he did not think of himself as anrinam na amanyata. Na amanyata, he did not think of atmanam, himself, as na rinam, rina rahitaha aham iti kadapi na amanyata, na chintayat. Yataha this he had so much of devotion, and he actually saved his life in that way, by giving him food and water and bringing him back to the proper city. He could have just said, oh, the king died, I am your new king, and he could have killed the king. Imagine, it is a place where Satvashila is alone with Chandasimha. He could have, if he was a person with evil intentions, he could have killed Chandasimha and said, the king, before dying, he gave me his signet ring or something like that, and I am the king now. Many dynasties have changed in this manner, but he did not do that. So that's why the king felt that he was Andrina. He had still not fulfilled the debt. So api Satvashilaha tyakta karpatika acharaha. He left his water carrier job now that he had a lot of wealth, right? So api Satvashilaha tyakta karpatika acharaha kritarthaha, having been satisfied here, Chandasimhasya bhupatehe parshve atishtat, he simply stood at the side of Chandasimha constantly. That is as a friend or a bodyguard or something like that. He was just he stood beside Chandasimha constantly. That was his work right now. He left his water carrier job. Is that clear? Now, atha ekada sa simhalapatehe sutam atmartham yachitum rajnya simhaladvipam preshitaha abhavat. Now, so one section is over of the story. Now the next section is how both of them got married. So atha ekada, once, saha Chandasimha simhalapatehe sutam atmartham yachitum, in order to ask for the daughter of Simhalapati. Sinhala is Ceylon, so Sri Lanka. So the Simhalapatehe sutam, the daughter of the king of Sinhala Desha, he wanted for himself, atmartham. So atmartham iti chet atra as a wife for himself, yachitum, in order to ask her hand in marriage.
Chandasimhartham kila atmartham ityukte
Chandasimhartham eva.
Okay.
Atmartham rajnya simhaladvipam saha preshitaha asit. Yes, only for Chandasimha here, because he marries someone else. Satvashila marries someone else.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So Rajnya, by the king, he was sent to Simhaladvipam, to the island of Sinhala. Tatra abdhivartmana gamishyan archita abhishta devataha rajadishtaihi dujavaraihi sakam pravahanam aruroha. So tatra abdhivarmana gamishyan, tatra simhaladvipe gamishyan, abdhivartmana gamishyan, which means he wanted to go to that island. Usually simhaladvipam gamishyan ityeva, so you can take it as tatra iti tasmin samaye. So at that time, tatra abdhivartmana gamishyan, wanting to go by ocean, the path of ocean. So abdhivartmana,
sea route.
A sea route, yes. Wanting to go through the sea route, gamishyan, archita abhishta devataha, having worshipped all of his ishta devata. This is an adjective again to Satvashila here. Okay. Rajadishtaihi dvijavaraihi Rajnya Adishtaihi Dvijavaraihi Sakam. So by along with the Brahmanas who were Adishta, who were ordered by the king. So usually இந்த பொண்ணு கேட்க போறதுன்னு சொல்றோம் இல்லையா, so you send Brahmanas and some family, trusted family member along with them to go and ask for the girl's hand and then bring the girl here for marriage here. So that's how it happens usually. So the Rajadishtaihi Dvijavaraihi Sakam, along with the Brahmanas who were ordered by the king, Pravahanam Aruroha, he climbed onto a boat. Ship, not sadharna, it couldn't have been just a small boat. So Pravanam here refers to a huge ship. Madhyama bhaga avadhi tasmin pravahane ashankitam prapte. When this tasmin pravahane, when this boat prapte, when it reached ashankitam, without any doubt or without any issue, when it had reached the middle portion of the ocean. So madhyama bhaga avadhi, until the end of the middle portion. When they had actually crossed, or when they had come to the right center of the ocean, when the boat had reached there, suddenly what happened? Suvarna nirmitaha Chalad Vichitra Vaijayanti Virajitaha Abramlihagraha Mahadhvajaha Janita Vismayaha Paravarat Samudabhut. Mahadhvajaha Paravarat Samudabhut. Samudbhavati. So Paravaraha is also Samudraha. So from the Samudram, a big flagstaff just came out. First a flag came out, Mahadhvajaha Paravarat Samudabhut. How was it? It was made up of gold. Suvarna Nirmitaha, the stamba, was made up of gold. Chalad Vichitra Vaijayanti, it had a Vaijayanti or a flag which was Chalat, which was moving and which was of multicolored, or it was strange. With a strange flag that was moving on it. Vaijayanti Virajitaha Manditaha. It was decorated with the Vaijayanti, a flag that was Vichitra and Chalat, which was also moving. Abramliha Agraha, the top portion of that flagstaff was touching the clouds. Abramliha, Abram, Ledhi, Sprishati. So it was touching the clouds. So it was Mahan Stambaha Asit. Tatra Upari Vaijayanti Pataka api Asit. Janita Vismayaha. It also brought a surprise. Immediately, if you are traveling in the ocean and suddenly in the middle of the ocean, there is a big flagstaff that just comes up, then everybody will be surprised about it. So Janita Vismayaha. Janeshu Vismayaha Jataha. Tatra. Ye Naukayam Sthitaha Asan Teshantu Vismayaha Jataha iti. Paravarat Samudabhut Samudratu Udbhavati. Tadanantram Tatkalameva, at that particular time, Akala Jaladavali cha Varshitum Arebhe. Akala Jaladavali, Jaladanam Avali, a row of clouds that suddenly appeared at a wrong time. Akalam. It is not the right time, appropriate time for the clouds to appear. So it was at an inappropriate time, these clouds, a row of clouds seemed to appear there. That is, Varshitum Arebe, it started to rain there. Taihi Ativarshaihi Adhoranaihi Iva Balat Akrishyamanaha Saha Pravahana Dvipaha Samasaktaha Dvajastambe. Now what happened to this boat? In the middle, as it approached the middle, there was a stambam here, and suddenly clouds started appearing and it was pouring rain. Now this boat seemed to be pulled by force, balat akrishyamanaha pravahana dvipaha. The pravahanam, the nauka boat, was like a dvipa or an elephant which was being pulled and tied to an alana stambam. Usually when a mad elephant is there, there will be mahots who will try to pull the elephant and try to balat akarshanam krutva stambhe badhnanti. So they will tie it to the stambha, right? In the same way here also, what happened to the boat is taihi ativarshaihi, by that extreme rain, which were like adhoranaha nama mahot hastipakaha. Adhoranaihi iva ativarshaihi, just like how an elephant will be pulled by mahots, in the same way this boat was also pulled by this extreme rain. And balat akrishyamanaha pravahana dvipaha dvajastambhe samasaktaha asit. It came and hit on that pillar, the flagstaff, and it got attached to that flagstaff. Yeah. So api dvajastambha sardham pravahanena, along with the pravahana, along with the boat, this dvajastambha, what happened is it started going inside the water. So vichi viplute varnidhau nimajjitum pravartata. Vichi viplute varnidhihi samudraha, varam nidhihi varo varaha. So var is the pratipadikam for vari, water, jalam. So varnidhi is a place of jalanidhi itivat atrapi. So varnidhi samudraha. So samudre vichi viplute samudre, the samudram which was filled with the viplutam is which was being crashing waves in artham. Okay, where waves were crashing on it, tatha samudre nimajjitum pravartata, this dvajastambam started to sink into the ocean along with waves. As waves started coming in the samudram, usually in the middle of the ocean it will become very calm unless there is a storm. But the waves are all only near the shore. Once you cross the waves, it is a plain ocean where it's like very, very less waves. There will be just ripples in the waters. But here, vichi viplute, there were so much of waves there because of the storm, and this pravahanam, along with the pravahana, along with the boat, the dvajastambam started to sink. Tadgataha te dvijaha. Now the brahmanas who were there in that boat, bhayakulaha, they became very afraid, agitated because of fear. Prana paripsavaha, paripsu ipsangardu aptumicha. Yeah. Okay. So praptum ichavaha, those who wish to hold on to their lives. Pranana praptum ichavaha. So paripsavaha, wanting to protect their lives. Chandasimham swabhupatim uddishya abramanyam udagoshan. Abramanyam is cursing, swearing words, you know, cursing the Raja Chandasimha who sent them on this expedition. These Brahmanas who were there in the boat, Bhayakulaha, they started shouting, wanting to protect their lives. They started shouting at the king, swearing at the king. Udagoshan is they announced Abramanyam, that is they swore against the king here, or towards the king. Yeah. So
this Akala Jaladavali, is it because they had already like weather forecast and all, they've checked and then gone?
ஒரு weather forecastum அப்பெல்லாம் கிடையாது. இது வந்து it is
how can
இருக்கலாம்.
like
Yes. Yeah. So weather forecast definitely பார்த்திருப்பா. So அனுகூல வாதஹ வர்த்ததே வா நவா தத் சர்வம் திருஷ்ட்வா ஏவ கச்சந்தி. But then இப்போ because of this dvajastamba, so there is something behind it, no? Is this the first time you are reading this story?
No, Akala Jaladavali is like in the ocean every time. Jaladavali can happen anytime. Is
No, not necessary. Illa. Not necessary. This is right in the middle, right when that flagstaff came. There was nothing in the sky, and suddenly it just started. There was a cloud that formed.
Okay.
So ஏதாவது ஒரு இண்டிகேஷன் இருக்கும். Even seafarers, you know, even experienced people, when they go in the sea, they will know that a storm is going to come. in couple of hours or something like that. They will have an idea. If suddenly it started, then it is Akala Jaladavali only, right?
Okay.
Akasmadeva tatra bhavati iti.
हियर् प्रवहणद्वीपः समासक्तो ध्वजस्तम्भे समासक्तः इत्युक्ते
Attached, sanlagnaha.
अटाच् संलग्नः ओके
Hooked up. It got.
It went in, so imagine a big stambam like Titanic.
Like submarine.
Like an iceberg is there, and the Titanic went and stuck itself into that iceberg, right?
Yeah,
And then
yeah.
it started
Like
sinking.
that,
In the same way, this also went and stuck into that pillar, and it started sinking. No, it didn't sink. It is the stambam itself, along with the pravanam attached to it, it started sinking.
sinking okay
Yeah.
and then this madhyama bhagavadi madhyamasya bhaga avadhi is it napumsakalinga what is that
Avadhihi, so I think madhyama bhagavadhi
Saptami.
yatha syat or something like that should be there. Let me check the original. Madhya. So it is only Madhya Bhaga Avadhi. It is not
madhyama bhagavadi
Madhyama Bhaga Nasti. So Madhya Bhaga Avadhi means it is that Avyay Bhava Samasa. Yeah?
kriya visheshanam okay you have given
And it becomes a Kriya Visheshanam there.
napumsakalinga
Okay? 1 minute. Let me just change that in the text also. Madhya Bhaga Avadhi. Tasmin Pravahane. Done. Let's go to the next one. Now what happened? All of them, they started cursing the king for sending them on this expedition, and now tad akarnya asahishnuhu sattva-shilaha kripapanihi satu bhaktiman vartate. So that akarnya, hearing all this abramanyam being said by the brahmanas, he asahishnuhu, he couldn't tolerate this, and sattva-shilaha kripanapanihi, with his sword in hand, baddha parikaraha is baddha kaksha sannaddaha, he was ready, right? Usually in the kachangattindu solrom baddha kachaha iti, right? So the moment you get down to battle, you will, and the kacham you tie it much higher and you get into the battle.
Yeah.
Adudanga, right? So baddha parikaraha anudhvajam, along with the following the dvajastamba, atmanam akshipat nirapeksham eva mahodadau. Nirapeksham eva atmanam nirapeksham eva, without even thinking about himself, atmanam mahodadau akshipat, he threw himself into the samudra. Okay, so following the dhwaja, not somewhere else, but he wanted to see the source of that dhwaja, wherever it has come from. So he started following that flagstaff. Magne cha tasmin tad vahanam vatormi chapetikabhihi abhajyata. Magne tasmin magne sati, when this Sattva-shila had completely sunk down, when he had gone down, tad vahanam, that vahanam, which is the nauka, the boat, vata urmibihi, by the wind and the waves, chapetika is slaps from the the crashes that came from wind and waves. Because of that, abhajyata, it completely broke. Vatormi chapetikabhihi tad vahanam sa nauka abhajyata, it broke. Tatsthaha cha, and all those people who were standing there in it, the brahmanaha, yado mukheshu prapatan, they fell into the mouths of yadas. Here is sea animals. So yadaha, yadasi, yadamsi, it is a sakaranta padam. Yado mukheshu, in the mouths of sea aquatic animals, shark, whale, whatever was there, they just fell into the mouths of these aquatic animals. Sahi Sattva-shilaha dvajam anusaran idanim divyam puram apashyat natu varidhim. Okay. So saha sattva-sheelaha dvajam anusaran, as he was following that flag, he idanim divyam puram apashyate. He only saw a divine city, natu varidhim. He did not see any ocean there. So as he went down with the flagstaff, he only saw he entered a beautiful divine city there, and he did not see the ocean anywhere. Tatracha Ramya Ratna Rachita Sopana Vapika Udyana Shobini Manistamba Bhasware Hemamandire Merupronatam Uchrita Chitra Dhvajam Katyayani Griham Nayana Vishayam Akarot. There he saw a temple for Katyayani. Katyayani Griham, Katyayani Devi, Durga. Durga Griham Nayana Vishayam Akarot. He Tatracha Saha Katyayani Griham Nayana Vishayam Akarot. Correct. Dvikarmakam there. Not Dvikarmakam. It is like an Uddesha Videya Bhava. He made it fall in, become an object of his eyesight types. So Katyayani Griham Nayana Vishayam Akarot iti chet Katyayani Griham apashyat ityeva tatra. Kidrisham Katyayani Griham, Kidrik Katyayani Griham. So Ramya Ratna Rachita Sopana Vapika Udyana Shobhini. Shobhini, it was shining in an udyanam, in a garden that had a sopana vapika, that had a very golden vapika, vakyalambo. Vapika is also a small tank that was there, and there was also a garden there. Ramya Ratna Rachita, which was that sopanam, Sopana Vapika Udyana Shobhini. In that Ramya Ratnaihi Rachitam Sopanam, there were steps which were made up of beautiful gems, beautiful jewels. Okay, so bejeweled Sopanam, staircase, and then Vapika. There was a Vapika also. There was a small tank also there, and it was shining within a garden. Manistamba Bhasware Hema Mandire Katyayani Griham. So there was a big temple there which was shining with a garden with a small tank, and that small tank had steps that were bejeweled. That's the first adjective for the Hema Mandiram. The second adjective is Manistambha Basware. There were many pillars in that golden temple which were jeweled pillars. Okay, Manibihi Nirmitaha Stambaha Asit Taihi Stambaihi Bhaswaram Mandiram. Hema Mandiram. It was also made up of gold. Tadrishe Mandire Meru Pronatam. There was one Katyayani Griham, that is, there will be one Garbhagraham kind of thing, right? So there will be a lot of Prakaram. If it is a big temple, then the Garbhagraham will be separate from the outside where you can do Pradakshina and all that. So that Garbhagraham is the Devata Graham. The adjectives for that are Meru Pronatam, which was as tall as Meru mountain. Uchrita Chitra Dhvajam. It also had a colorful flag which was flying high on top of it. Uchrita Unnatam. Urdhvadeshe Sthapitam. Katyayani Griham Nayana Vishayam Akarot. He saw this Katyayani Griham. Tam Bhagavatim Pranamya, he bowed down to Devi. Stotraihi Samstutya, he praised her with stotras. Gandhapushpaihi Abhyarchya, he worshipped her with many fragrant flowers. Kim etat Indrajalam iti Ascharyat tad agrataha samupavishat. The moment he saw Devi, he just did a namaskaram, said stotras, he put flowers and did all his worship, etc. But then after that, he sat down and said, what is this Indrajalam? What is this magic? Iti Ascharyat, out of surprise, he sat down in front of Devi. Tad agrataha, Bhagavati agrataha, samupavishat, he sat down. Clear?
Here, Magnecha Tasmim Tadvahanam. Magnecha, is it talking? Is he talking about Sattva Sheela, or
yes?
Magnecha means
Tasmin Magne Sati.
Okay.
It's a Sati Saptami. While he had already gone down,
immersed in what?
Immersed into the, while he had sunk into the ocean along with the Dvajastamba. Or you can also say, no, actually it has to be, tasmin should be Sattva-shila only here.
Right?
It was probably to bring Sattva-shila or something like that. No, it seems like it. But as soon as it had gone down, that Vaham was broken. The Nauka was broken.
And then tat sthaha means
Tatsthaha, tasmin tishtanti iti tatsthaha. So, tasyam, naukayam, athava pravahane, tasmin pravahane sthitaha, sthaha.
oh, so all the objects which were in that pravahana or everything, the parts of the
Usually the men here.
Brahmanas.
Brahmanas only.
Oh,
So,
okay.
they became food for the fish,
Okay.
shark and everything. Yeah, it's only for them.
Okay.
They won't eat the boat and all, right? Usually, or will they?
I don't think so. They will try to find food. Maybe the food that they were carrying would have been eaten. That also was possible. So, vastuni prayah na, but annam ityadikam yad vartate,
Ahara.
all that would be ahara, vishayasha. And the people also.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah. तावदेव देव्यग्रगत प्रभामण्डल अन्तरात् सहसा दिव्यकन्या कन्या एका उद्घाट्य not उद्घाट्य कवाटकं निरगात्. Okay, maybe from this we'll do on Monday. Okay.